Sweetie, watch closely.
I want to try too. We need paper cup, paper cord. Let's start the experiment. First, set up the items. Paper cup, paper cord, paper cup. Pull the paper card out. The cups are stacked. Why did the cup fall?
Let's see what's happening. If you pull slowly, the cup on top will move with the paper card. It won't land directly on the cup below.
But why doesn't the cup move when you pull the paper card really fast?
Let's slow it down and see what just happened. If you pull fast, due to inertia, the cup doesn't have time to move with the card. It falls down and lands on the cup below.
Oh, that's inertia. Dad, let's compete. Awesome! We stacked many paper cups. Go try it with your mom and dad.